This OVENTE Family Wok adjustable heat is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It is a 13-inch pan that is just right for family meals. The non-stick bottom means food does not stick. Cleaning up is easy like wiping a counter. It has 1400 watt power, so it heats up fast. You can change the temperature for different foods. The tempered glass lid lets you see your food as it cooks. Cool touch handles help you carry the wok safely. The OVENTE Family Wok adjustable heat offers versatility for many dishes. You can stir-fry vegetables and meat. You can even make soups or fry foods. The adjustable heat is a big plus. It lets you cook everything just right. The glass lid helps keep the heat in. This makes cooking faster and more even. The cool touch handles are important for safety. You won't burn your hands when moving the pan. This OVENTE Family Wok adjustable heat is also easy to clean. The non-stick surface stops food from clinging on. A simple wipe with a cloth is often enough. This saves you time and effort after cooking. The black color looks good in any kitchen. It is a useful product for busy families. It makes cooking simpler and faster. And the non-stick helps with healthy cooking because you need less oil. Pros: non-stick coating, 13-inch size, family-sized, 1400 watt power, adjustable heat, glass lid. Cool touch handles, easy to clean, versatile cooker, durable build, even heat, PFOA-free. Cons: element burned out, stopped working, didn't heat at all, control plug burnt, long heat up. Time: uneven cooking, temp turns off, durability concerns. Features: electric wok, non-stick coating, 13-inch size, family-sized, 1400 watt power, adjustable heat. Glass lid, cool handles, easy to clean, black color. This black OVENTE electric wok is great for families. It has a non-stick surface that is 13 inches wide. It uses 1400 watts of power and you can change the heat. The lid is made of glass and the handles stay cool to touch. It is also easy to wipe clean after you are done cooking. The OVENTE electric wok, a 13-inch family-sized skillet with a non-stick surface and a tempered glass lid, aims to make cooking easy with its adjustable temperature and 1400 watt power. It also features cool touch handles for safe handling and a design that's easy to clean. However, some users have reported issues such as the heating element burning out, the unit stopping working entirely, not heating up, a burnt control plug, long heat up times, uneven cooking, the temperature turning off unexpectedly, and concerns about how long it lasts.